Physics is supposed to explain everything, from an apple falling to a star collapsing. But there is one thing that laughs at all our equations: the dark matter. We can't see it, we can't detect it directly, and yet it shapes galaxies, bends space times, and dominates the mass of the cosmos. Yani, most of the universe is made of something our physics can't even describe properly. Here is where it gets truly mind bending. According to Einstein's general relativity, the motion of stars in a galaxy should depend only on visible mass. बट जब हम गैलेक्सीज के रोटेशन कर्व्स मेजर करते हैं, स्टार्स ऑन द एजेस मूव टू फास्ट, फास्टर देन ग्रेविटी फ्रॉम विजिबल मैटर कैन एक्सप्लेन. तो या तो कोई इनविजिबल मास है जो पुल कर रहा है, या फिर हमारी थ्योरी ऑफ ग्रेविटी ही इनकम्प्लीट है. Both options shake the foundation of modern physics. And it doesn't stop there. Light from distant galaxies bends more than it should. Gravitational lensing shows extra curvature in space-time, as if some invisible hand is warping reality itself. That's dark matter again, unseen yet detectable only through gravity. लेकिन यहाँ पे एक पैराडॉक्स है. ग्रेविटी सबसे वीकेस्ट फोर्स है, and still it is the only way we can sense dark matter. The rest, electromagnetism, strong and weak forces, don't seem to touch it. मतलब dark matter exists in the same universe but doesn't talk to ordinary matter through any known force. I mean, that's not just weird, that's physically alien. सोच के देखो, our best theory of matter, the Standard Model, has beautifully explained everything from electrons to Higgs boson. But dark matter doesn't fit in it. It is not in the equations, not in the particles we have discovered. And still, it controls the architecture of galaxies. That's why physicists call it the invisible ghost of the universe. It doesn't break physics, it quietly exposes how incomplete our knowledge and how incomplete our physics is. Maybe dark matter isn't just another discovery waiting to be happen. Maybe it's a doorway to a new physics, beyond field theory and beyond relativity. It's kind of the beauty of science. Science is not about what we know, it's about what still make us wonder.